Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 18 divided by 3 over 4 multiplied by 6. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division and one multiplication. According to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. Now in left side we have division. So we solve division. Now its division we solve at the rules of KCF. K means keep first fraction, C means change division to multiplication, and F means flip the second fraction. So we keep first fraction, so 18 over 1, and change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction 4 over 3 multiply by 6. Now 18 times 4 they give us 72 over 1 times 3 they give us 3 multiply by 6. Now simplify 72 divided by 3 they give us 24 multiply by 6, and 24 multiply by 6 they give us 144. So the final answer is 144. Thanks for watching.